Watch how to repair a crack in drywall that is textured. Let's get to it. Here's a crack in the wall. Caulk alone will not fix this. To fix this correctly, use a utility knife to notch a V in the crack. Cut down both sides of the crack on an angle. This will give it the V shape. Next, feel if the drywall is loose. Put drywall screws in it if it is. More than likely there is wood behind it. If the wood is on one side of the crack, you'll have to put screws in on an angle to catch the wood. Now this is what you want to use right here. High strength spackle. The thing is, this spackle has fiber in it. This keeps the spackle together and keeps the crack from opening back up. This can be used for up to a 5-inch hole. We'll test that theory in another video. Wipe the dust off the crack. Fill the crack. Use a damp rag to clean up around the crack. Refill any indentations. Do the damp rag thing again and let it dry. When it's dried, sand it. Do the damp rag thing again and let it dry. Use this to apply the texture. This spray lets you apply a light, medium, or a heavy texture. Read the instructions before using this. Cover up around the area. Spray and let this dry. I'm going to use a wet sponge and lightly wipe the wall. Doing this will make the texture match a little bit better. You might not have to do this. Let it dry. Paint it. And here's what it looks like. I'm not too happy with this though. You can slightly see where the crack was. So I'll apply a little bit more spackle. Let it dry, then hit it again with the sponge to smooth it out. Let it dry. Spray more texture if you need to, then paint it again. Okay, here's the end result. Not too bad. If you're not looking for it, you'll never know there was a crack here. You can also take your time and make this look even better if you like. Anyway, if this helps you out, help me out. Hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.